Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to learn English through a simple and heartwarming story. The title of today's story is The Broken Bicycle. In this lesson, you'll improve your listening, learn some useful new words, and get to practice your English speaking skills. So just relax, listen carefully, and let's enjoy the story together. Ben absolutely loved his bicycle. It was a beautiful bright red color with shiny silver wheels. Every single afternoon right after school, Ben would ride his bicycle all around his neighborhood. He'd ride past the park with its green trees and happy children. He'd ride past the small grocery store on the corner. He'd ride along the quiet, peaceful streets. Riding his bicycle made him feel so free and incredibly happy. One sunny afternoon, Ben decided he wanted to ride all the way to the park. The sky was a brilliant blue, and the air felt so fresh and clean. Ben pedaled quickly, enjoying the feeling of the wind in his hair. Suddenly, click, clack. Ben heard a strange sound coming from his bike. He slowed down to listen more closely. Then his bicycle stopped moving altogether. "Oh no," Ben said out loud. He looked down at the back wheel. The chain had completely fallen off. Ben tried to fix it himself. He pushed the chain back onto the gear with his hands. But it just didn't work. As soon as he let go, the chain slipped right off again. Ben started to feel very frustrated. He sat down on the sidewalk, feeling defeated. "My bicycle is broken," he said sadly to himself. Just then, he saw someone walking toward him. It was his father. "Hey, Ben," his father said with a warm smile. "What happened?" "My bicycle is broken," Ben replied, pointing to the dangling chain. His father looked at the wheel very carefully. "Don't worry," he said calmly. "We can fix it together." Together, they turned the bicycle upside down, resting it on its handlebars and seat. Ben held the back wheel steady while his father skillfully worked on fixing the chain. After just a few minutes, his father smiled. "Okay, try it now," he said. Ben climbed back onto his bicycle. He started pedaling, a little nervously at first. The wheels moved smoothly, just like before. "It works," Ben shouted with pure joy. He was so happy. Ben rode in big circles around the park, feeling proud of what they had accomplished and so excited to be riding again. That day, Ben learned something very important. Sometimes when things break, you just need a little help from someone to fix them. Now, let's learn some important words from the story. The first word is bicycle. A bicycle is a vehicle with two wheels that you ride by pushing pedals with your feet. For example, Ben rides his bicycle every day. Our next word is chain. A chain is the metal part made of connected links that helps move the bicycle wheels when you pedal. For example, the bicycle chain fell off. The third word is fix. To fix something means to repair it when it's broken or not working properly. For example, Ben's father helped fix the bicycle. And our last word for today is frustrated. Frustrated means feeling upset or annoyed when you can't do something or when something doesn't work the way you want it to. For example, Ben felt frustrated when the bicycle broke. Great. Now let's listen to the story one more time. This time, I'll read it a bit slower. Listen carefully and try to repeat the sentences after me. Ben loved his bicycle. One afternoon, he rode to the park. Suddenly, the bicycle stopped. The chain had fallen off. Ben felt sad. Then his father arrived. "Don't worry," his father said. "We can fix it together." They fixed the chain. Ben rode the bicycle again. It works. He shouted happily, "Excellent." Now, let's practice speaking some useful phrases. Please repeat after me. My bicycle is broken. Can you help me fix it? The chain fell off. Now it works again. Thank you for helping me. Great job. Wonderful work today, everyone. You've just learned English through the story of the broken bicycle. And remember the lesson. From the story, problems can often be solved when we work together. If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel for more English stories. We'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!